We are absolutely delighted to be asked to help decorate Westminster Abbey with traditional wreaths and garlands for the Princess of Wales Together at Christmas carol concert. At Wisley we have a huge collection of evergreen plants. We have the national collection of ivies, we have a big variety of hollies, and we also have the national collection of evergreen magnolias, which have beautiful fruits on this time of year. So Gemma and Tony are going to be allowed to go snipping for this very special occasion through Wisley's shrubberies. We know how this carol service is a real mark of recognition, and we want to support those families, communities, children that all come together for this very special service. So at Wisley, in my own team led by Gemma Burr, we've been making enormous garlands, and we've also drafted in a good friend of the RHS, Tony Le-Britton, to help with the enormous task of making these huge wreaths. So we're so excited to see these come together today. We're even more excited to see how they look in the grand surrounds of Westminster Abbey, and may we take this opportunity to wish you a very happy Christmas from the team at RHS Garden Wisley.